Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a video chat or video call on your Telegram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Telegram and then open your group chat on Telegram. And this is one of my group chats. And if you want to start a video chat or video call, we can click on this icon guys. This is the icon to start the video chat. You just need to select that and then you can either start video chat or schedule a video chat, and you can also stream with, but here I'm just going to choose start video chat. Okay, and then I'm going to choose my personal account and we can click on continue. Okay, and now the video chat is being started. You can activate your video here and your microphone, and you can invite your members, and then you're going to click on leave if you want to end the video chat. You can leave video chat with ending the video chat, or you can just leave. If you leave only, it means that the video chat will be still there, but if you want to end the video chat, you can click on end and then you can click on leave. Okay guys, and that's all the way to start video chat or video call on Telegram group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.